Here in the beautiful Pocono Mountains, education is the name of the game, especially when it comes to high school age students. And here in Monroe County, students have another option for where they can learn, and that's MCTI. That's Monroe Career Technical Institute. Let's go inside for a look at what happens under this roof. It's a Monday afternoon, and Andrew Turpin is working on his forte, electrical technology. A high school junior, Andrew and the roughly 1,000 other students at MCTI are learning a trade and could have a job when they graduate.
Well, it's just good to be prepared. You don't want to be getting out of high school and be like, oh, what am I going to do next?
For Andrew, he'll have choices: go to college or go union. And that's exactly what this alternative to traditional high school has been doing for students since the 1970s.
Opportunity is a good word. I mean, I like to call it options. I think options lead to success. So, students can come here if they want to enter the workforce immediately. They can come here and learn a trade and be marketable once they leave high school. Not every high school kid can say that.
We got a tour of the massive school with everything from the new computer information science courses to cosmetology.
Coming to the school will definitely prepare you for your future.
And Tatiana Beckworth, who's on track to have her license when she graduates in 2 years.
And many people, they wait until after high school, then they have to pay like thousands of dollars to go to school and spend the time learning it, when I already did it while I was in high school.
MCTI is the right fit for Tatiana and Storm Fernandez.
I want to be the change that can come into the world.
Perfecting her fingerprinting skills with us, Storm is going to continue her schooling in criminal justice in Rhode Island, and thanks to MCTI, will have college credits to go with her. Plus, some of those intangibles you need to be successful.
It teaches you, not only does it teach you about the career path that you want to go into, but it helps you with how to carry yourself. There's a lot of things that you can get from MCTI that a regular high school won't be able to give you.
They learn that responsibility, being on time, being prepared. Most of the programs require some type of uniform.
And as supervisor of student services, Amy Thomas explains students get to know early on, as early as 9th grade, if a career path they're studying is right for them.
And if not, at least they know now in high school, and not when they get to college and they've already spent thousands of dollars and decide maybe they want to switch programs or try something else.
At Monroe Career and Technical Institute, we are preparing students for a successful career and future.
The teachers at MCTI are also industry experts, and students are able to use some of the latest equipment needed for the job. MCTI invites anyone, including students and parents, to join a virtual open house in early December. For more information, you can head to monroecti.org or to MCTI's Facebook page. Jim Hamill for the Pocono Television Network.